If you were asked for the best solution to the problems facing manufacturing industries, what will you suggest? Many times, the solution best comes from the government. Do you know why? Because the government makes the policies guiding all activities in the state or country. For example, the capital required to keep many industries running is so much that it cannot be acquired by individuals. Even the small-scale industries still need extra funds to meet up with production and supplies. And the government can provide a solution to these problems by giving incentives and loans to these industries. Transportation and location of production is also a major problem that can be solved by the construction of good roads and the creation of industrial zones. And more so, there is a need for more people to be trained with the necessary skill to handle manufacturing process in many of these industries. When skill acquisition is available, more people can be employed by the industries. So, the solution to the problems facing manufacturing industries includes the following: acquisition of skills, good government policies, active government participation, incentives to local industries, provision of transport facilities, creation of industrial zones, establishment of industrial banks, stable government, and so on. Trust you had fun learning in this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.